I normally store all my body panels in the small, pieces off the front, like the bezel and the grill and all that. I normally store that inside my LandCruiser. I've got the rear heater and the wiring harness stored inside there too. I've got the fenders stored inside the LandCruiser. But today I want to finish pulling the bolts to remove the top. We'll look at that from the inside in just a second, but I cleaned out my LandCruiser parts storage area, which was in the back of it there, and have them all set outside the garage so that I can get access to the bolts. I've only got a couple of bolts left. We'll talk about that in just a minute. So all the bolts up along here are all 10mm bolts. There's not a lot of room up above the bolts. So what I've used up until now, I've gone all the way around the LandCruiser, except for one small part. So there's been enough clearance to actually do the bolts with this setup. It's a 1/2-inch ratchet with an adapter that goes down to a 1/4 inch using a 10mm socket, but there's still not enough room up above the bolt for any room to fit the ratchet in there when you go around the corner. I've got 2, 3 bolts, 4 bolts. So I've probably got 6 or 8 bolts that I need to use my small little 1/4 inch ratchet on to pull off. And we'll see how that goes. I guess I'm going to get to start. I didn't get a chance to videotape this, but my son came by and offered to help me remove the top. So I had all the bolts out and it was ready to go. We picked it up, moved it right over here. Top's kind of scratched up a little bit. I'm not very happy with how it was fastened to the body panels. So I'm going to go back and find a better way to fasten it down when we get everything done. But looks a lot different. I'm going to now work on these rear panels to get these off. Please remember to like and subscribe and head on over to prairiecruisers.wordpress.com for more updates.